Hi, my name is Otis, the host of Internet Nugget. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate XML sitemap to help boost your ranking with search engines. Is your site buried in search engine results that your customers, your audience can't find your website online? So today, I'm going to walk you through what you need to do to help Google and other search engines to discover your site and show it to your intended audience. So, what is an SMS sitemap? SMS sitemap is a file that lists the web pages of your site to Google and other search engines. It tells them about the organization of your site, how your site is structured, how your site content is structured. So creating and submitting a sitemap can give your site a boost in the search engine result pages, and that could improve your overall ranking. And as I've said, so I will show you how to create a sitemap, submit it to Google. I will also give you some tips on how to keep your sitemap up to date as your site content changes. So you notify Google and other search engines that there is a change in your site. Don't just wait for Google to crawl your site. Just make sure that anytime that you make some changes, make sure you submit those changes. You let Google know that a change has been made on your site. So if you want to improve your site's search engine ranking, watch this video and learn how to create and submit your XML sitemap to Google and other search engines. So if you haven't logged into your WordPress, if you want to follow our instructions, if you want to watch us and do the same thing on your site, so you can actually log in to your site and follow our instructions. If not, you can watch, you can keep watching, then later you can go and implement it on your site. Okay.
So you're welcome again. I've logged into my WordPress. If you're following, and you can log into your WordPress. So once you're logged in, you go into the dashboard, look for plugin, and this is the plugin section. I'm going to add new. So what we're doing is to install XML plugin. So I'll search for XML Sitemap plugin. This is going to give me a variety of options. So you can also use host used plugin, or you can import any XML or CSV files. Not this, sorry. You can either do this, the XML sitemap. So I'm going to upload this XML sitemap. Then once I installed it, I activate. So I have to Google XML sitemap. So that's the XML sitemap. So I'm just going to go to the settings section where it is located on the dashboard. I'll click this here. So I'm going here. So look at the sitemap here. So what I need to do is to actually copy the sitemap. It's just as simple as this. Copy the sitemap, go to Google Search Console. If you have not created Google Search Console account, so all you need is your Gmail account. So once your Gmail is open, so you can click here to start, and yeah, all right, so created. So now I want to actually submit my sitemap to Google search engine. The reason is that it speed up the crawling of your website, because you want the pages on your website to be crawled. If it is crawled, then Google can index it in its database and other search engines. So that's how they serve users who actually query Google for certain information, like the services that you provide. So I'm going to click here, and it's simple as this. Attach it here. Remember that you already have those prefixes, so all you need to do is just to take this one out. Take that out and submit. So waiting for it. So, and it said Google will periodically, it said sitemap submitted. successfully. So we've done that, and make sure that the status actually show success. So, and that is all about submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console. You can also do that for Bing Webmaster. That will be in another video. So I hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to leave your feedback and comment below this video. And I look forward to see you in our next video.